Welcome to How to Play Black Hole Solitaire. To play, you'll need a 52 card deck. The game is set up by creating 17 columns of face-up cards. Each column will have 3 cards in it. The remaining card is placed face-up at the top of the layout. This card starts the foundation pile and is known as the black hole. The object of the game is to get all the cards in the layout into the black hole. The top card of a column can be moved to the black hole if it is 1 rank higher or 1 rank lower than the current card showing on the black hole. Aces can be played on kings, and kings can be played on aces. The card on the black hole to start this game is an 8. Any 7 or 9 can be played to the black hole. Once the 9 is played, an 8 or 10 can be moved to the black hole. The game continues this way with the player trying to get all the cards from the layout to the black hole. If the player is successful in getting all the cards from the layout to the black hole, the game is won. If a player gets stuck with no more moves to make, the game is lost. If you enjoyed learning how to play Black Hole Solitaire and you are curious about other games, our channel is the go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.